What's going on, guys? It's One Hand here, and we're heading out to a car meet for the first time in a while. It's a group of probably 10, 12 of us. 3 of them consisting Chargers, the rest are Mustangs. We have a GT500 with us, and the rest are the old crew that you guys have seen before in previous videos. And yeah, we're actually meeting up with I'm actually meeting up with my crew, MCC, at the meet. I was running late, so I decided to run with my friends instead. So yeah, well, looks like we're exiting off of here, so I'll film more at the meet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment down below, and yeah. Just did a fucking huge ass burnout. You can see all this smoke and shit. We're all heading out. Got the whole crew going on over there. And yeah, let's give it a little rev. Everybody's rolling out, guys. It's crazy. Everyone's doing burnouts, revving, and all that shit. See how we're gonna get out of here alive. Got everybody behind me. There's races going down everywhere, guys. It's fucking crazy. Fuck, I'm trying to... Yeah, I'm not going so fast. Where are they at?
Look at him!
Is he gonna do it? Fuck, oh shit, I thought he was gonna lose it. Where's the cop?
At the coffee place.
What coffee place? What the fuck is that? Yeah!
Did they all park right there? So the top won't even get started.
Well,
Yeah, so like you just took off more, right?
alright guys, we're basically on our way home. It was Shaw Side 50, we got my boy 8's up there. We got the EcoBoost behind us. And yeah, but I'm paying a phone call. As I was saying, guys, we are on our way back home. It was a fun night, I didn't get much footage, but hopefully you guys enjoy. It's been one, and leave a like, a comment down below. You guys don't have to, but I appreciate if you guys do. And yeah, stick around for the next videos. I have a lot coming for you guys. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can for you guys. And yeah, so this has been one, and I'm out.